went from a dedicated ride-on mower to the Snake and wouldn't look back. Genuinely mean that. You could not go backwards.
And the quality of cut is second to none. There's nothing like it.
A machine that is very low maintenance, low cost compared to self-contained units.
I can't find another mower close to it on the market.
You'll be impressed with not just cut quality presentation, but the stripe it leaves is very good.
We are actually delighted with it and just probably should have done it a number of years sooner.
My name's Ryan Cusden and I'm the course manager of Cliftonville Golf Club. So before we decided to get the Snake, we were currently running one ride-on mower. It took so long, it was like 2 days to cut rough. Running the two mowers with each other, it's reduced to cutting the rough, the semi-rough, everywhere in the golf course to less than a day. Well, saving that amount of time's benefited us because we can allocate jobs to other playing surfaces, likes of the greens, the bunkers, the fairways, tees. If we didn't have the Snake, we would still be cutting rough. So it's freed up a whole day of work for one of the green staff.
My name is Brian Dunn. I'm the golf course superintendent here at Dermana Golf Club, the Orr course in Limerick, Ireland. We definitely get the job done faster. And it's very easy manoeuvring around the trees. As the course here has loads of trees, we find it very good.
My name's Damien Beattie. I'm the head greenkeeper in Helens Bay Golf Club. In regards to the Snake itself, it has brought down fuel costs, man hours, maintenance. We currently can run the Snake out, have our rough cut fully in a day, no issues at all. As with the dedicated ride-on machine, we'd have maybe had to go out with a blower to clean up the roughs. And for us personally, it seems to just be a more invaluable machine. Time costs, fuel costs, in general, just a saving all round.
My name is Gary Kelly and I'm one of the owners of Kelly's Golf Centre, located in Bourne, just outside Warrenpoint in County Down. The best thing as regards productivity, we're able to cut almost 20 acres between the driving range and the pitch and putt in about 3.5 to 4 hours max. Previously it was taking probably 9 to 10 hours to do it, so it's really helped us in the length of time we're taking to cut the whole grounds. So that's sort of probably one of the big things with the productivity out of the mower.
My name is David Grant. I am the grounds manager for the SETU Arena in Waterford. The main benefit of the Trimax Snake was the amount of time it saved us, allowing us to get to other operations around the site. We simply weren't getting to them with our previous machine. The Trimax Snake, we can have it on a pitch cut in under 50 minutes with 6 pitches. That adds up when you're doing it 3 times a week. Our time saving, it's huge. It really is huge.
My name is Ian McGarher, head greenkeeper of County Armagh Golf Club. It takes a long time cutting the rough here. The Snake, she's slightly wider. It helps because there's not a lot of staff here. We can get the job done quicker.
My name is John Burrows. I'm the course manager at Balmoral Golf Club. We have noticed a considerable time saving and manpower saving with the use of the Snake. Before the Snake was purchased, we were using self-contained units, taking 3 days to cut the rough. Since the Snake has been purchased, it's now cut the manpower and the days down to 2 days a week.
The Trimax Snake leaves a lovely finish. It leaves lovely stripes in the grass and it doesn't leave a mess. There's no grass left behind, no clippings. On a few of our golf holes here we have a lot of mounds and undulations and the Snake has no problem going through that, and long grass is no problem either whatsoever. The members often stop and say what a lovely cut that mower is given, and we get great feedback from the members and the committee. Very good.
My name is Ty Crimmon. I work as a greenkeeper at Charvel Golf Club. We've got 2 Trimax Snake mowers and we cut the rough at Charvel Golf Club. I find it cuts good, the grass cuts fine after it, and it's very handy to drive and move around the place. It leaves a nice bit of grass after it.
Yesterday, Monday we were cutting and it was the first time it was wet using it, and there was no difference in the quality of cut compared to weeks ago whenever it was dry.
I've yet to find an area that the Snake can't go into, won't cut. We're able to use it in the winter months to cut fairways and things by lowering the height, and it has just helped us out massively, massively.
My name's Paul Revel. I'm the golf course manager here at Royal Belfast Golf Club. Cut quality is very good. The mower runs quite a few hours through the week, through the summer weeks. So presentation's probably the biggest between it, and cleanliness of cut with the Snake was the biggest selling point. It was a game changer for us.
Within an hour and a half of using the Trimax, it was a really wet day, grass was long. It left an excellent finish in difficult conditions. It was sold straight away.
It's a maintenance sort of free machine where there's no sharpening. We're able to buy a service kit from our local dealer. It's only a matter of replacing the blades sort of once every 2 years we manage to get out of a set. So we seem to save from that too, which is very good.
It's a quite simple machine, so it is. There's not a lot of working parts to break down. It's regularly greased, and there's no other real issue concerning maintenance on the Snake.
The biggest thing with a tractor and a trail mower is less maintenance. You're really only relying on belts, bearings and blades on the Snake mower. We've actually just changed the first set of blades on it yesterday. We've had 3 years almost out of them. We've had 2 broken belts over the course of the 3 years, so reliability is key.
We find the reliability of the Trimax very good. You know, it does 20 hours a week, so we don't need to bear in mind changing oils, engine oils or anything like that. We didn't have to budget for end of season service. At the time we didn't have a mechanic, so that can get costly. It's tried and tested with us, and the rough, it hasn't looked as good in previous years.
Since we've had the Trimax Snake since 2017, the only thing we've had to do is change 2 rollers and change the blades. Just keep it greased, and it's easy to maintain.
The reliability of the Trimax Snake, it's been excellent. We haven't had any problems with it. Serviceability is straightforward, changing blades is easy. We can have the blades off, sharpened and back on in less than an hour. The access to belts, grease points, we grease the machine every Friday morning. Other than that, very straightforward.
Any golf course planning on trying out the Trimax Snake, I would definitely say go ahead and get in a demo and you won't be disappointed.
We've tried other competitors, different types of machines. For the quality of cut, the aftercut appearance, the time saving, the parts, the accessibility, the serviceability, I can't find another more close to it on the market. You'll be sold straight away.
I have to say, go ahead and buy one for at least a good quality of cut. It's a good mower.
Get a demo and you'll be surprised how good it is. A machine that is very low maintenance, low cost compared to self-contained units, and I would recommend it to anybody.
Just get a demo and you'll be impressed with not just cut quality presentation, but the stripe it leaves is very good.
Get a demo, have a go, and you won't look back. Can't go any simpler than that. It's phenomenal. It'll make a massive difference to anybody's course.
I would tell anybody thinking about buying a Trimax Snake, go see it in action and you'll be more than happy with it. We are actually delighted with it and just probably should have done it a number of years sooner.
I would say to somebody who would be thinking about purchasing a Trimax Snake is just buy it. Forget about everything else, just buy the Trimax Snake. It's the best on the market. It's so easy to use. For the size, it's quite compact. The quality of cut, it's just superb. There's nothing like it.